In front of me is OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on System and Update. Then select Input Method and this way access Autofill for Google. Now hit Google Password Manager to tap on any password you wanna check. Enter your screen lock, hit I icon, and this way make your password visible. If it's too long, you can either copy it to see it, or tap on Edit and check it out here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!